At the end of the day, research is about making an impact. As you progress in your research and start to obtain promising results, you'll want others to be able to make use of them. Today, we're going to discuss 3 key audiences that you can share your research with to maximize your impact. As you identify your key audience, you need to think about what you hope to gain from sharing your work. Look for the specific people and groups that show the most interest, and then highlight the key findings for them. The first audience is academia. Are you looking to gain feedback on your work and meet collaborators on your campus? You might want to showcase your findings at an undergraduate poster session at your university. Maybe you want to work with your mentor to publish a journal article or conference paper that would reach a broader audience. Next is the public. There are even opportunities outside of academic routes for sharing research. Some of your stakeholders might be in the general public. For a student working on flexible solar cells to integrate into home products like blinds, they may want to introduce their research to local governments or corporations, maybe even let homeowners know about the technology. There are many options to connect with the public, from open science forums to museum presentations to social media. Finally, you have an industry. Maybe you want to share your research as a first step towards starting a company or designing a new product. You can pitch your idea to potential funders and other entrepreneurs who can help you with a business plan. There are competitions all over that offer a chance to compete against other innovators. Check around your own university to see what options you may have. The success of your research is dependent on sharing it in a way that resonates with the target audiences. You can do this by framing your key findings so that your stakeholders see clearly the impact and value that your research brings them. This is where the entrepreneurial mindset makes its final appearance in the research cycle. Having an entrepreneurial mindset from the start of your project will help you in selecting a project direction that is the most meaningful to your stakeholders for your research. As you get ready to share your research, revisit the goals and stakeholders you have identified early in your project. Which of your results will be most valuable or interesting to them? Having an entrepreneurial mindset will help you maximize the impact of your research, which is what we as researchers all want. We want people to care about our work. We want people to see how our work benefits them. And it all begins with understanding the value we are seeking to provide in the first place. So practice having an entrepreneurial mindset and explore all of your options to ensure your research has the maximum reach and impact possible.